professional profile. In this case, I would like to show you how is to turn on monetization. Most of you have been lost or failing to know how do I turn on monetization on my personal profile. Okay, we get to a page here. We go to a page here. This is your page. When you're on your page, you click here down. When we click here down, we get to professional dashboard. Just make sure that your page or your personal profile is professional dashboard, is professional mode. Professional mode is where we can go. So when we click onto professional mode, we click down here and we are able to go through this unprofessional dashboard. We have the tools, we have the progression achievements, we have comments, we have people to invite. Maybe you also learn this. Remember, there are people that follow you, or there are people who click or react on your posts, but they do not follow you. They don't find it important to follow you. In this case, let's click here, invite people that react on different posts. Remember, these are the 3 posts, for example. There are people who reacted through this reel. Okay, these are 5 people that reacted. I have sent an invite to them. And then there's also the second one here. I will also invite them, those are 23. And also, I will invite all these and see how many, 20 of them. You see, mine are few because I always go in and invite. So we go back now. I've showed you that on how best to invite people that have reacted, liked, or did something on your posts. Now, when we go down here, we are getting monetization. So in monetization, we click on monetization. So monetization, you well know that this is how best your page can be able to earn some. So when you look at this monetization status, it shows that you're earning. Great job, you're able to earn money from your content, and then you should be able to be blue ticked. If you're not able to earn, then they will also show you that you're not able, and the reasons will be shown to you. Down here we have the tools, we have the stars and the in-stream ads. Okay, in this case, we have the stars, which is okay. I'm allowed to earn from the stars. Let's go back. Let's go to in-stream ads. Okay, let's see what happens in the in-stream ad. So when you go to the in-stream ad, you see what we call here in-stream ads. Then you click here in the corner, where you see the settings. So in this case, you see what we call the in-stream ads preferences. So turn on, you make sure you turn on. You see this gray button, you make sure you clear, and this gray button will definitely turn green. When it turns green, which means you have turned on your in-stream ads. Mine are disabled. So it depends if you want to earn, if you want to disable them, if you want to enable them, then you're able to have ads in all your videos. So this is how we earn on our ads or turn on monetization in professional mode. So when we go back again, I'll show you that how we came in through here is that with the professional mode of your page. After professional mode, you scroll down and then you go to monetization. After monetization, you will see tools, the different tools that you're given. Your tools are stars tools and in-stream ads. I'm allowed stars and then in-stream ads. Of course, there are the other ones that are yet to be eligible. The ads on Reels is by invite only. Then we have bonuses, it's by invite only, and then subscription. So when you reach the level, Facebook will invite you to add adverts on your Reels or even have bonuses, earnings on your creator with bonuses. So they already have a tool for in-stream ads, and then you click on in-stream ads. Then you come on top here, you go to this top side, and then also you see where to turn on the in-stream ads. So guys, check your pages if you're eligible and you're able to earn money. Go to your dashboard, click on monetization, and make sure you're able to turn on this. Of course, for those countries that are able to monetize. For those which are not yet able to monetize, you will not be able to get this in-stream ads. Or if you have not qualified to get into in-stream ads, then you will not have this dashboard. I am qualified, and that's why you see that I am able to access the in-stream ads at all times. So thank you much, guys. And let me know in the comments in case you need anything or any assistance to understand how to do the in-stream